So in this session, as we learned a lot about JavaScript filters in the previous sessions and how does they work, let's take a break from Java and come to some other concepts. So today we are going to learn about channel writer. So we know about channel writer and how to generally use it. So I'm going to explain that in a very simple way. So channel to channel connection. So if we go to any particular merge channel, like there is a scope in our project like sending information from this particular channel to any other channel, and we what we did is like in the destination we are using TCP sender or database reader or file writer as we see it previously, but in our scope we need to send, for example, yep, I created test and variables data from this channel to this channel. So how to send it? So there are a lot of specific reasons which we are going to use it, because if we have something to do the changes in the destination filter and we are sending to some other particular location, but we want to send the same data to another channel and even make sure that channel makes all the changes inside it. So what I'll do, so I'll just try to clone this destination. So there's always a clone option for everything. Remember, whether it's channel or filter anything, there's always a clone option. What I'll do, I clone the first one and I'll just rename it. I'll rename it as okay, channel to channel connection. Channel to channel connections. Perfectly. What happens from the source? The data will come and it will send go to the destination of this file writer, and even it will go to the channel to channel connection. So you might be asking what it is and how to use it. I'll just go in the connector type and select it as channels writer. Okay, after clicking it, I need to give the channel ID over here. You might be asking, how will I get the channel ID? No need to worry. You can go ahead and select the channels over here. So all the channels which you have in the screen over here will be reflecting. So I'll be using my 9 test channel, and automatically the channel ID is reflected. In the template, I just wanted the encoded data. I dropped it. That's it. It's very very simple. I'll just save it and I deploy the channel. So you can see this is my source channel and this is my channel to channel connection. The message will come from here and it will pass to destination, and to this particular destination channel to channel connection. From here it will go to the source of test 9 test, which we have already attached it, and it will reach the destination. Let's see how things are going to work. This destination is nothing but these are the files, like I'll just show. This destination is nothing but it will go into delivery files to any directory as it is. So I'll be explaining how this thing works now. So let's go ahead and send a sample message. I'll just copy this and I'll try to send a message. You can see I have sent a message, and even it is EDT. I'll just change it to ORU. Okay, I'll process this message. So you can see everything is 0 over here. So when I send it, we should get 1 1 1 1 everywhere in the destination source. I'll refresh it. Perfect. So from the source we got the message and it came to this destination and it reached the destination. This destination is nothing but I have saved the file over here with the key 3 value. Again, I'm coming back to this channel to channel connection. This is going to send the message to this particular channel, and yeah, it is going to come over here. To understand like that this message is only crossing over here, I changed the message type as ORU, and it is very different. Why I'm saying different? Because it is never ORU A04. It should be ADT A04 or ORU O01. Okay, so I just changed it for our testing purpose. So we got this message. So I'm going to do send another message. What I'll do, I'll just remove everything from here to make sure this is the message we are getting. I'll delete everything. Okay, I'll delete everything. Okay, I'll delete everything. Okay, so this is only MSH line which we are going to send, and let's see how we are going to send this. I'll refresh it. We got 2 2 means it has been received over here, and I'll go back to 9 test channel. In the source you can see, yeah, we got the single line message. So this is how channel to channel connection works. So whenever we have the scope of doing multiple projects interacting with different channels, we can make sure our channel runs through the message through all the specific channels. So what I'll do is, like, generally, if I want to have a specific filter, I'll just create the filter names with the names of the channels, and I'll run that particular message to all the filters. So in future, if I got any new project, I'll just loop that message to this filters, and it will pass through all the channels, and we'll get the output. So we don't need to create the same filters again and again. You can see for variable section, I created one channel over here. For just transformer connection, I created one channel over here. So it's all about fun learning Mirth. So, but in real time, when you're working officially, you shouldn't do this. You should work in a different way. For each and every project, depending on the requirement, you are going to create the channel. So now we end the session on how the channel to channel connection works. Thank you.